What do you think, folks? 66 Econoline. It did not sell. Customized. High bid was 17.5. Just walk around, take a look at it. You can still get this truck, this van. Truck, van, truck. Look at that wood grain. I know it's a decal, guys, but still, look at that. Unreal. Little bed liner. That's tasteful. I like that. Very nicely done. Lots of cool pinstriping. Nicely done. Nicely done. What is this back here? Is that that's an inflatable raft or surfboard? What is that? That's a surfboard. Floatable surfboard. It's got a place to put around your ankles. Need some shark repellent. You'll be set to go, man. Bumper delete. God, this thing is cool. My goodness. Who wouldn't want to drive this around every day? What a wonderful part of America right here, dude. They built some really cool stuff. Got a canvas roof. I'm not sure if it's not sealed very good. What's going on there? It's be a 5 window, right? Or, my math good there? Look at that. Check out the emergency brake down there. That is awesome. That is truly awesome. Can't imagine why this didn't bring no more money than that. All right, folks. Hope you enjoyed this video. We got a chin spoiler. Love it. I just love it. I love custom vehicles. Folks, enjoy this channel. Enjoy the videos. Hit that thumbs up. Watch some of the other videos. We got a lot of cool car content. Enjoy yourself on the channel. That's what it's here for. That's what it's all about. All kind of neat stuff. Enjoy the hobby. Enjoy the channel. Hit that like button and share these videos. Thank you, folks. Bob out.